Hello, welcome. Let's prepare some yummy, fluffy pancakes. So it's an easy recipe that you can do or that you can make as you're planning to prepare some breakfast and then you don't know what to do. This is the easiest thing that you can do. So if it's your first time here, you're most welcome. So these are the things that you will need for your pancake. First, you'll need some warm water. If you get your warm water, you'll measure a cup of warm water, 1 cup of warm water. Then you're going to put 1 tablespoon of yeast. Then after putting that, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then you're going to mix it well. After that, you're going to set it aside for 10 to 15 or 20 minutes. When you're done with that, what we're going to do next is to get our all-purpose flour, that is wheat flour, whatever kind of flour that you're going to use. So when you're done with that, you're going to sieve it. When you're done with sieving, what you're going to do is to add some pinch of salt to the flour. So you add your salt and then you mix it well. You mix the flour with the salt, and then when you're done with that, what you're going to do is to get your eggs. So maybe you can use 2 or 1 egg, so it will depend on what you want. So you put your egg and then you add some warm water to the egg or to the eggs, and then from there you add your milk. So if it is your first time coming across my videos, I'll appreciate when you watch up to the end of this video so that you learn this recipe, how to prepare this yummy pancake for your breakfast. Maybe you're having that craving for a pancake, so this is the easiest method that you can do. So after that, what you're going to do is to add also some sugar to your flour. So if you're someone who doesn't like too much sugar, the sugar that you had already added to your yeast, it's more than enough. Now when you're done with that, you're going to pour your mixture of the yeast and warm water plus sugar to the flour, and then we're going to mix it. So you keep on mixing it. Then next thing we're going to do is to add our milk, egg, and then water. That is already 2 cups of water that we have used. So after that, we're going to mix it. We don't want our mixture to be too thick and it should not be too watery, so it will be just in the middle. It's not be too watery or not too thick. So here, if you don't want to put those vegetables, it's okay, but for me, I had added some carrot, tomato, green pepper, and chili. But if you don't want still to add those vegetables to your pancake, it is okay. So when you're done with that, we're going to get our pan, and then you put your mixture to the pan, so that you should keep on moderating your heat. It's not be too hot, too much, it should not be too small. So the heat for your pancakes will be moderate. So the next thing, after you putting your pancake, your mixture to the pan, we're going to leave it to cook for 3 to 5 minutes, until when you see that the downer part has turned to brown or golden brown. Then what we are going to do next is to flip it, and then also leave the other side to cook for 3 or 5 minutes. And then from there, our pancake is ready. So don't forget to tell me how you prepare your pancakes. You can also drop your recipe in the comment section so that I will also try it. And you can also try this recipe and tell me what is the end results after you trying it. So you can also tell me where you're watching from. Thank you for watching. You should also subscribe so that anyone who is trying to find a recipe so that this video can reach to as many people as possible that are trying to find some recipe in concern to cooking or making some breakfast or making some pancake. So comment so that this video can reach to many people, so that also YouTube can recommend my videos to people that are planning to cook this simple pancake. So bye, thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe.